The spaceship collided with the space station and was forced to land on the nearest unknown planet. After a difficult crash landing, they discovered the planet was extremely cold, covered in ice for miles, and devoid of life. Unfortunately, their only remaining spaceship was damaged and cracked. The family could only watch helplessly as the ship, carrying all their supplies, slowly sank to the bottom of the valley. Just a month ago, this family was celebrating Christmas on Earth. Suddenly, a news bulletin interrupted the TV. A massive meteor was about to hit Earth. To preserve human civilization, the government urgently launched an interstellar colonization plan, selecting the best of humanity to send into space. The mother used her position at the space agency to ensure her family was chosen. As Earth faced destruction, they boarded the space station in time, heading into the depths of the universe to find a habitable planet. However, the space station was mysteriously damaged, forcing the family to take an escape pod to the nearest planet. After the crash landing, they saw other ships landing on the planet just as they planned to contact other survivors. Their own ship unfortunately broke through the ice and began sinking into the valley. The only fortunate thing was that, due to the father's knowledge of space travel, the mother discovered that the planet's air and gravity were similar to Earth's. However, 6 hours later, when the sun sets, the planet's surface temperature would drop to -51 degrees. By then, their ship would be frozen in the ice lake 50 feet deep. As the batteries failed in the cold, they would freeze to death. Time was running out, so the father decided to send their smallest son, John, into the lake to enter the ship through the nearest hatch and retrieve the batteries. At this moment, Sister Judy, worried about her brother, bravely jumped into the icy water first, ignoring her father's objections. Judy swam towards the hatch at the ship's stern, reaching the air valve. However, she found she couldn't open it due to the pressure. She decided to take a longer route to the batteries. Just after Judy retrieved the batteries, she was startled to see a crocodile at the lake bottom. At this point, the temperature plummeted and the surrounding lake water instantly began to freeze. The entire lake was rapidly turning to ice. Judy had to quickly escape the hatch, avoiding the solidifying water, and swim towards the surface. In the emergency, her father told her to drop the batteries. Seeing the water around her closing in at a terrifying speed, Judy had no choice but to drop the batteries and desperately swim towards the surface. Her father's hand was already deep in the water, waiting for the surface to freeze quickly. Judy was almost at the surface, but unfortunately, she didn't escape in time. Seconds later, she was frozen just a few feet from the surface, trapped alive.